Okay, we're gonna change out a bag filter. We're gonna go ahead and clean it up. This is to a cooling tower. We're gonna go ahead and undo the 4 bolts in. Swing over the top. See how dirty it is. You pull this piece out. Once you pull this piece out, come back. Go ahead and pull out your bag filter. Very dirty. Gonna go ahead and pull out the screen bucket. Next, you're gonna come to the drain and go ahead and loosen that up. You want to turn off the water. You can see the dirty water coming out. You go ahead and drain it, get all this dirty water out. There it goes. Alright, we're going to go and rinse this out. Okay, with the water's out, go ahead and reattach this point. Okay, I have this tight now. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the water again. Okay. Water will start filling up. Always have 2 bags. I have one that's ready to go, and then of course the dirty one I've got to clean. So let's go ahead and get the new one in. Next is the retainer. This is what keeps the basket in place, so it's not moving around and stuff. Okay, then we go ahead and put on the top. We're going to put the 4 bolts in. You want to make sure the lid is center on all 4 edges. And then you're going to tighten your bolts in a circle of motion until it's tight. Okay, I've tightened all 4 bolts, did a circle of motion. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the switch. This is the pump motor that feeds the water to the cooling tower tub. Hit the switch, and now water's coming out. Get all the air out of the system. Alright, it's hot water. Alright, a little bit more. Get all that air out. Wet. Now I need to clean this bag filter. Basically, you're just going to use the water hose, clean it down. can see how I spread the bag open on its edge. You really get this clean also. Now you have your fresh bag ready for next time you change out the bag. And look at all that dirt. Okay, have a good day.